Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ngayon po ay May 5, 2023. Thank God it's a Friday. Mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita ay tungkol sa SEC at ASEN. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, inibitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, ika-5 ng Mayo, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, straight po tayo sa ating headlines at ito po ay makikita po natin sa Video Securities. Sa sector and company news, Dell reports first quarter core earnings of 8.6 billion. And then Glow core net income steady at 5.1 billion. ASEN net profit surged 400% in the first quarter of 2023. Ito po ang isa sa ating main news at MEG adds 4 billion residential tower in Iloilo. So dito po tayo sa ating special report. Una po ay itong ASEN, ASEN profit surge 400% year-on-year in the first quarter. And ito po yung special report from BDO-SEC, capacity expansion bears fruit. Profit surge 400% in the first quarter. Philippines and international operations show strong profit growth. Balance sheet remains healthy amid expansion, and there are several key company updates. The Philippine business remains a net seller in the spot market, and spot sales will likely increase as new capacities comes online. Pagudpud Wind, Arayat Solar, San Marcelino Solar, NESF, and Masaya Solar are all on track for completion. Pagudpud Wind will start delivery to the grid on a merchant basis but will have a power purchase agreement under the Green Energy Auction. And Monsoon Wind Project in Laos is 24% owned by ASEN and will operate under the feed-in tariff regime when it comes online by 2025. And ASEN remains focused on delivering projects within timelines and budgets, and different strategies are employed across countries depending on the market. So that's ASEN. And the other one is Semirara. There is a maintained buy. Teka muna, yung ASEN muna, the target price remains at 790 or an implied upside of 31.2%. The next is Semirara, maintained buy with a lower target price. There is robust power results, reduced coal exports. Core income down 40% as coal prices normalize. Weak coal results due to lower shipments and selling prices. Strong power contributions on better plant availability and ASPs. More coal sales on domestic market still favors high spot exposure. Auction valuation, target price cut to 37. Ito po'y dating 37.80. There is a keep buy rating. So yan po ang Semirara Mining and Power. So let's now go to your comments. And I saw some comments here. Una po galing po kay Yazer Narciso Molina Domingo. Thank you, sir. Sabi po niya, salamat din po. Yes, sir. Si Jedi Farinas, 9416, sir, pa-review ng stocks ko SEC, DMC, LTGC, REIT, MREIT, TEL, MBT, CHIB, at GMA7. Oh, ang dami mong holdings, ha? So, pagka kumita ka naman, bumalato ka. Joke lang po yun. Okay, let's start with SEC, one of our featured articles today. First, let's go to the index. Masyado ako na-excite. Yan, yung index po is up or almost flat, 1.31 points up, nasa 6685.66. Ang ating market activity, 103 companies umabante, 95 umatras, 42 ang hindi nagbago. All share index almost flat also at 0.07% na akyat, bahagyang akyat. Ang sectoral indices ay mixed. Mining at financials down 1.07 and 0.79 respectively. Or financials is 1.07, mining is 0.79 down. Holding companies is up. Industrials, properties, and services are up. Pero yung akyat po nila, bagamat apat na sectors ay up, almost flat po siya. At nag-counterbalance po yung down ng mining at financials. Ang resulta, the PSE index is barely up 0.02% or 1.31 points, almost flat. Most active stock is BDO, followed by SMPH, BPI, and SM. Yan po yung top 5 po natin. So let's start now with a review, and let's start with SCC. Naku, bearish po si SCC at napakalaki po ng gap dito. May gap down at merong gap up. Yan. Pero mukhang nagbabounce na po siya for an oversold level. Nandito po kasi yung oversold niya noong April 28. And from then on ay unti-unti po siyang umaakyat. Although hindi po pa natin masabi na nasa bullish trend pa po. Nasa taas pa po yung ating moving averages. Support is at 27.41, but the resistance, the nearest that I see, ay nandito po sa 31.58. Yan po yung nearest resistance niya. Ngayon po, nakita po natin si SCC. Tingnan natin yung fundamentals ni SCC. Power and utilities. Semirara. Mining pala siya. Classify siya as mining. Nasa 37 pesos ang kanyang fundamental price or a 30.7% upside. Yan po si Semirara Mining. Then next we have DMC. DMC is a holding company. Naku, ganun din si DMC. Meron po siyang gap down dito. Pero oversold na po yung stock. Yan po. Ito po yung oversold level niya. Yung RSI po, pagka below 30 and below ay oversold po siya. It was oversold between April 25 and May 2. Pagkatapos po niyan ay umakyat na po. So, may pag-asa po tayo sa pag-akyat ng DMC sapagkat nag-oversold na po siya. Ang pinaka-support po natin ay nandito po sa area to 988. And the nearest resistance na aking nakikita ay nandito sa 1079, more or less. Yan po si DMC. Then, si DMC Holdings ay meron pong neutral rating with a target price of 1140 or 12.9% upside. Yan po ang fundamentals ni DMC. And then si LTG naman, LTG is bullish. Kaya ako napapaganon ay somewhat hindi po na mukhang hindi po siya nasusustain, ano? Pero bullish po siya. Yung black line po nasa ilalim po. Although yung medium and long-term indicator nasa ilalim pa rin. Nag-crossover na po siya. So in my evaluation, the stock is moving upwards. RSI is also bullish at 58.85. Ngayon, ang pinaka-support po niya malapit po sa EMA 100. Ito po, nasa 986. EMA 100 po ay nasa 983. Support and resistance, di po yan exact points areas po siya. The nearest resistance ay nakikita ko po dito sa 1040. 1040 to 1050, more or less. Now, LTG, hanapin natin si LTG. It's a conglomerate. Buy rating po siya. Target price is 1160 or a 13.7% upside. So, yun po. Si LTG, bullish po siya. Then, si CREIT. CREIT, okay, bullish po si CREIT. Kung mapapansin niyo po, yung long-term at medium-term moving averages ay nasa ilalim. Ganyan din naman yung ating short-term indicator. Pero mas malapit po siya sa mga candlesticks. Yan. Aking nakikita, ang pinaka-support niya ay, well, let's take EMA 100 as our support. Nasa 242 po ang pinaka-support sa EMA 100 and the resistance nandito po sa area to, nasa 253, more or less. Medyo bullish po ang dating sa akin, 57.52 ang RSI, bullish po yung number na yan. Ngayon po, general direction is still upward. Pero wala po kasing fundamental study si CREIT, kaya po, sorry po, hindi ko po alam kung anong fundamentals itong si CREIT, although it is a good company. And then si MREIT naman. Tingnan natin si MREIT. Yan. Okay, MREIT is also bullish. Yung ating mga indicators nasa taas, although may mga short red candlestick po siya dito. Earnings po niya, naku, net loss pala siya si MREIT. Ngayon, question mark po kung magbibigay po siya ng dividendo. The last time it gave dividends was February 15. Pero dito, pagdating dito, net loss eh. Yan, net loss siya. Total revenues is 3.67 pero mas malaki siguro mas malaki yung operating income kaya siya nag-net loss. PE is also a loss. Hopefully po ay makarecover po itong si MREIT. Although right now nakikita ko siya as a bullish stock, dahil lahat po ng indicators natin ay nasa ilalim. Ngayon, yung RSI nasa itaas din po. The support or the resistance rather is here at 1490 and the support, let's take EMA 100 as a support, 1424 po ang pinaka-support. Then si TEL. Si TEL, iyan. Okay, may green engulfing siya dito. Pero right now ay mukhang consolidation candlestick po ito. So yung kanyang earnings down 1.09%, almost flat ang earnings po niya. And it has been moving downwards since bumaba siya dito noong December, yung capex overrun. So let's draw parallel channel here. So yan po ang pinaka-parallel channel and this runs from January 19 to May 4 or May 5. Yan. So the lower channel is our support, nasa 1186, samantalang ang upper channel is at 1364. Ito po yung resistance niya. So moving downwards po si TEL, let's check if it has telecoms. PLDT, may buy rating po siya. 1655 po ang kanyang target price or 32% implied upside. And then si MBT naman. Magagandang stocks natin ha. Magagandang hawak mong stocks. And I like your stocks. May green engulfing candlestick po si Metro Bank. And it is bullish based dito sa long-term indicator natin plus the medium and short term is already under. Yan. So, ang pinaka-support po niya is EMA 100, 57.64. Samantalang ang pinaka-resistance nandito po sa 62 pesos, more or less. Ang kanyang pinaka-resistance. Ngayon po, fundamentally, let's check Metro Banks. May buy rating po siya with a target price of 77 or a 30.5% upside. So it's moving slowly upwards, similar to BDO. Then CHIB, China Bank. Mahilig ka rin sa bangko, ha? Yan. Nagdidip siya ng konti. Pero medium and long term ay bullish po. Samantalang sa short term po natin ay sa sideways po. So in the past 3 days, it's moving sideways, but general direction is still upward. So if we will also be drawing a parallel channel here, ganyan po siya. Yan ang parallel channel po niya. Okay, right now, nasa support area po ang ating stock, si China Banking Corporation, with the support at 32.34. 32.34. Nasa 32.35 kasi siya. Support level na po ito. Samantalang resistance nasa 34.03. Hindi po siya rated. So, wala po siyang fundamentals. Ang fundamentals lang po na available ay BPI, Metro Bank at Security Bank. Pero wala po si China Bank. Nag-overbought na po ang stock noong April 20 hanggang April 28. So, the stock may be moving downwards in the coming days, but I see no sign of that. May dividend po siya, no? Okay, the dividends is 90 centavos plus, 190. 190 po ang dividendo, which is a good sign, ha? 312. Yan. Mga about 4% po ang dividend yield niyan. Earnings niya is up 19.14 billion or 26%, almost 27% from the previous year. So yan po si China Bank. Finally, we have GMA. Na-review ko na to kahapon. Anyway, yan, bearish po si GMA 7. At take note po, there is a gap down here. Laki po ng gap. Pero oversold na po si GMA 7 dahil ang ating RSI ay hanggang ngayon ay oversold. So nag-start po yung oversold level ng April 18 at nananatiling oversold up to May 5, and this is because of the low earnings of GMA during the first quarter. Yan, no? It's down 71% compared to the previous first quarter last year. Yan. Pero 2022 earnings down pa rin 27%. Dapat nga mataas ito dahil election year po yung 2022 eh. Pero baba pa rin siya. Okay. So yan po si GMA, and ang pinaka-support level po niya ay actually lumagpas na po yung support eh. So below support na po siya. Yan, nasa 10.18. I think this is support level. No? Kasi there's another support here at 10.07. Yan, nasa 9.86 po. So very near support level po siya, or within the support area. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-5 ng Mayo. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, happy weekend, and bye for now.